Hi guys, welcome back to another video. The reason I haven't been uploading is because I've been trying to improve my gaming skills on games like Fortnite, which I will start uploading regularly. And well, that's not a promise, but I'm gonna try and keep it. I'm playing just today a game of Pet Simulator where, well, I'm actually just gonna play a game around a Pet Simulator. Charlie gave me some good pets, so now I'm close to the moon, which I'm 2 arenas away from the moon, and this also gives me a chance just to let you catch up on all the things that's been going on. I am going to be doing a plushie video soon after this, and we'll just see what's going on. Seriously, I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading that often. Also changed my avatar a bit once it loads on. Oh, I actually spawned in Charlie's game he was playing. I'm gonna give it time to load up. I'm just going to buy a quick egg. One quick little 3 million egg. You can see I've been playing this quite a lot. Look at, do you like it? Customize it myself with all the stuff that I had. Okay, which? I'm actually gonna go ahead and buy the diamond, 50 million. Oh, I just got another lava zebra. See, Penny right here is a lava zebra. I'm gonna now just buy an 8 million one quickly. I got a wavy cheetah. Oh, Charlie gave me one of them. One more tier 9. What do I get? Oh, and I got a cherry bomb as well. Okay, last one. If I don't get anything that I don't have out of this, I'm gonna get really rich. Oh, come on. Oh wait, I don't have a wavy zebra yet. And one little 3 more. And then I'll go meet Chuckles. Oh, I got a cherry monkey. Luckily, I don't have that one. And I'm just gonna buy a million pets. I know I'm wasting a lot of my coins and I'm trying to get to the next thing. Yes, I got a watermelon. Even though I already have that. Because if you see, if I go to my pets, give it a second. Oh, sorry, my game's just a bit glitchy. I don't know what's gone wrong with the internet, but it's taken quite a while. See, I have some alien pets, even though I'm not even close with the money towards it. Charlie gave me that one, and that one, and I'm still really grateful. So, shout out to Charlie for giving me those good pets. You never gave me a sandcastle one, Chuckle. Oh, you mean what? Which one back?
Either him or him.
Nah, you gave us them. Charlie's is starting to want them back, but
It's because I didn't realize how good they were with the
okay, Charlie, okay. I'm not gonna give you the I'll give you back the reverse, cause I love the mooga. Oh yeah, Charlie, ready it up. Yeah, sorry about that, but yes, I have enough space for. Who am I gonna use? I'm probably gonna use the wavy cheetah, but still, who am I gonna use? Let's quickly scroll down for a bit. Yeah, but I might as well just use my wavy cheetah. Sorry, I don't look as cool as normal person would look, but I'm not getting a lot of Robux. I'm not getting a lot of Robux. Okay, go on. Oh, look at my zebra and me cheater. Okay. Feel like I'm all the way on that pinky purple one. This gives us a chance to let you guys catch up and everything. And everything that you missed. It'll give me a chance to catch up on that. So, plushie videos have not been really done one apart from the introduction to my YouTube channel. Sorry that you can't hear the audio of this. Like, you can't actually hear what's going on. Though, I'm sorry about that. So I will make it up to you guys by doing a special video for when I get a couple more subscribers. I'll do it anyway after, like, my plushie video could be a special plushie video if you want. As long as I keep getting some more subscribers, because I want this channel to become a little more popular. Right. I'm going to meet Charlie. Oh wait, Charlie's right behind me. Hey Charlie, can you meet me up at the purple, pink?
I don't have mine.
I guess Charlie's on the one after that, the black one. Yeah, wait. Charlie's dressed as Kringley. So he is a big fan of Kringley. I do love his videos. I love his Roblox videos. I actually wanted to be like him for ages now. Because, well, his lifestyle is so cool. Like, he has the infinite pet thing, so you get like loads of pets out. And it cost him 39,000, like, yeah, 40,000 to do it. So, apart from all this, we haven't been doing much on the channel. Because obviously I've been training on Roblox for all these moments. Trying to get some better pets just for the entertainment. Just for the subs.
Okay.
We do it just for the subs in this channel.
288 million.
Yeah, 288 million. I really enjoy uploading because it's fun to show people my perspective of games and show them how, well, what I do in these type of games. So I will be doing another Roblox video after the plushie video. It's just I really want to do some more videos as I haven't been uploading for a while actually. So yeah. Sorry I don't have computer audio because I need to buy the full version if I do want that full audio. And right now I'm actually just fiddling around. I'm gonna do a Gmod video. Like, do you want me to do it? I might do a Gmod video because yes, I got Gmod. Got a couple of mods. And they were actually just for the channel to do around with and mess around with. Outside of YouTube as well. But obviously I haven't got a chance to use them as I haven't been uploading as much as I have been in the past couple of days, weeks and stuff. Sorry, I know you can't hear it, but it's kind of loud for me. Oh god, it's on lowest thing. Can't change my mic on these earphones. I will do a face reveal eventually. Well, that's when I get 2.99 views. Yeah, I know, I'll make that money in no time. But it ain't from the channel though. Well, apart from that, in Pet Simulator, Charlie is the best one here. Wait, Charlie, where are you? Back in the green. I'm just going to Charlie actually to show him what I mean about Kringley and that lot.
I think he's buying it for
750 million. Charlie's just buying a 350 million egg case. No, I haven't actually, but I can it now. I was tempted to, but I'm not. So I will tell you what he gets once he actually buys it, because we are playing right together now.
Yeah.
Him on the X.
Look away.
I'm looking away until he actually unboxes it, and I'm gonna be like, depends on what it is. I'm gonna either be.
I got a robot.
Oh, you got a robot. Remember, Charlie? Someone was trying to trade you, and they were trading you a robot. Like, Charlie, come to me at the grey area. Meet me at the grey area. And let's have a little reveal of the robot. I'll just wait for you in the area. Okay, cool. Charlie, you coming? Justin, hey, Penny and Zelda. I didn't name them. If I did, I would name them something totally different to whatever that ugly name is. Okay. Bring out the robot. Let's see his little reveal. Oh yeah, because all your pets are over here, isn't it? Yeah. See, so you see Charlie Kringley over there. Oh, King Cupcake. My old account actually. But I've stopped playing Roblox for a bit and I gave my account to him and then made my game. Yeah. Well, I played on it most and I gave it to Charlie when I stopped playing Roblox a lot. And then I created Demonic Doman's account as Charlie was always playing on King Cupcakes. Where's your pets? Over the giant. Come on. Come on. Come on, Charlie. But I'll show you how quick they'll come. Especially my mooga over here. Zelda. She's the fastest guy I have. But she's actually an alien. Comes back in a flash. See, Charlie's just doing a large chest at the moment, which is prevented from actually bringing them over. But I'm just going to sort out my inventory, see if there's anything better. What do you want to trade me? I'm going to put in the chat that I'm recording. The monkey was one of the, oh yeah, oh yeah, ready? What, did he even give me? I don't think he gave me anything. Might he gave me like an adult. Wait. Nah, he didn't give me anything. Yeah. I'm gonna just put in the chat. Wreck. Put I'm wrecking the chat. Everyone just knows. Just in case. The most OP guy in the server actually right now is actually me. I have the most money at the moment. There was a guy with like 700 million and then like 70,000 moon coins, which you get in that rocket and you go meow all the way into the sky. I don't even have that one, and Charlie's all the way over there. 500 million though, I'm halfway there. Well, past halfway. I got to end the video off in a moment. Well, this is where I'm going to end the video. Right here, standing at the giant block. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified in every video for, well, ever. Please subscribe, like, and watch my other videos. See you guys. See ya later.